Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm excited and happy to have you on this channel today. This is the part 7 of the Koinonia Design Series, and it has been amazing from the part 1. In this video, in this tutorial, we're going to be making another Koinonia flyer. We're going to be working on the background here on PSCC, and once I'm done here, or when I'm done here, I'm going to head over to Pixel Lab. So without further ado, let's dive into the creation of the background. So now I'm just going to, I have the materials and the things I'll be using for this background creation, so I'm just going to unleash them. So I'm just going to enlarge this to fit. Right, so we have this here, and the next is this image of Apostle, which I'm going to take to the top. Right, and you can see that the blue on this Apostle's image matches with the blue on the background. So I'm just going to apply screen here, and I'm going over to fade, of course, to fade. Right, so fade this like this and come over here and fade this here. Right, so fade this here and come over here and fade this here. Alright, so we have that faded like that, and the next thing I want to do is to blur this image, the background itself. So we're going to apply Gaussian blur, and I'm going to move this to 15, and I think 15 is okay. Let me see what 20 will give me. Alright, so I'm going to go with 20, and the next thing I want to do is to unleash this image, which I'm going to bring to the top, or rather I'm going to unleash this image. I'm going to take it to the top, and I'm going to rotate it, click on transform and turn it like this, and increase it, and you want to increase it again, and click on OK, then click on screen. You can click on screen before increasing it so that you'll be seeing what you're doing. Right, so you have this, and the next thing I want to do is to come here and blur. Right, I'm not going to be using 20 for this. I think I'll be using 10. Yeah, I'll use 10 for this, and the next thing is to unleash this image. I'm just going to bring it, let's see here, and I'll come over to F here and change it to black and white and apply screen. Right, so that applied, we're going to bring this here like this, and we're going to bring this here and click on OK, and now we're going to fade. And let's undo that fading, and now we're going to fade, bring this a little bit down and fade like this. Right, and we're going to click on fade, take this fade a little bit like this. Right, and take it here like this, up again, and I think we are done. Yep, we are done with our background creation. This is all we're going to be doing here on PSCC. So let me check out something. I'm going to click on this main background and click on here and click on curve. Click here and bring this down. So I want to make it a bit dark. Right, so you want to be careful with that. Now I'm also going to do that to this Apostle's image. So I'm just going to click on curve and it will just apply. Let me bring it down a little. So I'm going to bring it down. You can see that the clarity is more visible. And what's next? So let's see if I apply it to this lady's image and curve. Yeah, so let's click on curve, and okay. So I'm going to click here and click on fade to just just apply some. Okay, and I'm looking for any other thing else we may want to do here, and nope, we are done. So see you on Pixel App. So guys, I'm done with the design on Pixel App. Although I'm still going to take this design through PSCC to just add certain effect to it, and I'm just going to show you some things here for you to take note of when working on your image. So clicking on Apostle's image, you will see that this color is not the original color. I just did a little bit of adjustment to the image. You see I reduce the saturation -72, brightness 15, contrast 16, and we have that. Now you can see the light position by Apostle's image. If you have been following this series from part 1, you would understand this. So I use the hue to change the color of the light to something that goes with the color of the design. So that is 151, and the brightness and contrast is not tempered with. And we have this stuff that is behind. Look at it, right? So I adjusted it. I adjusted the color filters to see the hue is 180, brightness 46, contrast 11. So if I undo this was the original color, right? And for this experience Koinonia, the font is Go Bold Light, and this Sunday the font is Autograph, right? So we still have other fonts here. We have Go Bold Thin, we have Go Bold Thin, right? That I think it should be for the Sunday and time. I don't know how correct I am with this. I'm coming, let me confirm the font for this Koinonia. Alright, so the font for the Koinonia is not Go Bold, it's Brunesk. So it's Go Bold for the time and the date, but Brunesk, Bronex for the Koinonia, right? And what else? So we have the logo here, and basically that's just it, an Apostle's image. So I will save and go over to PSCC to just do some final touches, and that's all. So guys, I'm back here on PSCC. I just want to do some few things and I'll be done with this design. So just come over here and going to look for this, and I'm going to use linear dodge. Right, so I want to make that light effect from the other side, the light effect to be realistic, right? So that's what I want to achieve. So let me try using screen. screen is dull, so I'll go linear dodge. And next thing I want to do here is, let me try something and see if it works. Alright, so I'm going to import a different effect to try that out. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try this, and let's use screen. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna leave it. Right, so now I'm just going to make sure my hand is on it, and I'm just going to erase the parts I don't want. So I'm just going to click on cut, and boom, it has it out. And I can use linear dodge if I want to. Now it's not compulsory you add this effect, right? You have to use something that is sharp. So let me see something. So I'm going to click on OK, and I'm still going to remove certain part of this and cut. So I'm still going to do the same thing and cut. So I just wanted to remain just within that black space. And yep, so we can go with something like this. Alright, so let me erase this part on Apostle's head. I'm not really cool with it. Cut. And here we go guys, we are done with this particular Koinonia flyer design. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit on the notification bell, leave a comment before leaving, like this video. Thank you very much, and see you in the next tutorial. And before I forget, if you want the resources, the materials for this design, please comment resources in the comment area, and you'll be guided on how to get these resources. Thank you once again, and see you in the next tutorial.